So good day everyone. In this video I will demonstrate the installation and usage of the Dolibar ERP system for supply chain management. So first I downloaded and installed the Dolywamp, which already includes Apache, PHP and MariaDB needed for the ERP system. Now I'm going to install the ERP or the Dolibar ERP. Just wait for a second until the installation is finished. So after the installation, let's click finish. Then we'll proceed to the main dashboard or the web of Dolibar installation. Click next, start, and scroll down next step. Click next step again, then wait patiently. So after a long wait, let's proceed to the next step, or the password and confirm password. Next, then after that you will proceed to the Dolibar main page or the login page. So after the installation, you will see in your desktop the Dolibar ERP or the Dolibar CRM. Then click open and you will proceed to the login page of Dolibar. Then you will input the admin and the password of the administrator account. So this is the main dashboard of the system. From the dashboard, user can access different modules and manage business operation such as customer, suppliers, product, inventory, and sales transaction. Now we will proceed to the third parties module. This section is used for managing customer and suppliers. First, we'll open the customer section. Here we created a sample customer account name Rugin Rizano and customer 001. Next, we will open the vendor section. Vendors or suppliers are important for procurement management because they provide products and materials needed by the business. So here, I created a simple supplier named ABC Supplier. So this section helps business organize supplier information, contact details, and procurement records. It also improves communication between business and suppliers. So now, we'll proceed to the product modules. This section is used to product and inventory management. So here, I created a simple product called t-shirt. The system stores the product information including the product name, description, and stock details. This module helps the business organize products and monitor product availability inside the system. So next we'll open the stock section. Here I created a warehouse called main warehouse and added stock quantity for the product. So these features all allows business to monitor available inventory and manage warehouse stocks properly. As we can see, the current stock quantity of the t-shirt product is 10 units. Inventory management is important because it helps business avoid stock shortage and maintain accurate stock records. The ERP system automatically updates the inventory information whenever products are added or sold. The main warehouse helps monitor stock quantities and product availability. Using warehouse management, business can organize inventory properly and track products efficiently. So next we'll proceed to the commerce module. This section is used for customer transaction and sales processing. So as you can see, I created the customer sales order by selecting the customer's product. So as you can see, I have already orders to process. After validating the order, the ERP system automatically generates the transaction record. The inventory stocks is also updated automatically after the transaction process. The system can also generate a printable PDF document for customer orders in sales transaction. So this is the PDF or the printable PDF that automatically generated the transaction record. So these features help business organize transaction and maintain proper documentation. Another important feature of the ERP system is integration because all modules such as customers, suppliers, product and inventory and sales are connected in one platform. This helps improve workflow, management and business operations. So the dashboard also helps user monitor activities and access important information quickly. So overall, Dolebar ERP is useful system for supply chain management because it helps manage procurement, inventory, products, suppliers, customers, and helps sales transactions in one integrated system. In conclusion, this demonstration shows how ERP system improve business process through automation, inventory tracking, transaction management, and organized information management. Thank you for watching our ERP system demonstration.